Hello guys, yes, this is Chef Poultre, and this is my channel Cooking with Chef Poultre, and today we're gonna have couple little hors d'oeuvre and little dishes, Haitian, Spanish. So today I'll be cooking the griot and with like a sandwich. And also guys, make sure that you guys like, comment and subscribe to the page so you could see more of these beautiful content. So have a nice day, enjoy. All right, as you can see guys, I'm peeling the plantain. I'm getting ready to prepare the fried plantain with the Pikliz, and we call it Pikliz, but here it's spicy cabbage. And as we go deep into the video, I'll give you guys a brief, the recipe and how it's made. So let's see. Get your pan. Put some oil. And basically you gotta wait till the oil get to it gotta heats up. Once it heats up, you're gonna hear the bubble, and once you hear that, then you could throw your plantain. Also, I'm preparing myself also to get ready to fry the plantain and the griot at the same time. Alright, as you can see, put here. And this is the color you want it to look like, a golden color. And of course the griot, you want it to be whole, but at the same time, since I'm gonna take it, all right. All right, guys. So now. That's gonna be the sandwich. All right. Like me, I do myself a little different. So I'm gonna put some vinegar, a little water, and salt to get it flavored. Okay, all right. And me, I usually use garlic pepper, so to give it that little taste. And then the next step is to dump it in there, get all the seasoning inside, and dump it there. Yeah, this, it won't take long to cook. Yeah. Always make sure you check the product. Right. Make sure you get that color. Right. It won't take that long to cook, guys. So now that's gonna be my first little dish, and basically after that I'll let you guys know what I literally put in it. The spicy cabbage. All right. So let's talk about the spicy cabbage. So the spicy cabbage, a lot of you guys know it's cabbage, Scotch bonnet pepper, and I put shallots, a little lemon juice, salt and pepper, and I also put a little badilla to give it that flavor, and that's what's gonna give the pulled pork sandwich a good kick. And that's about it. And now we're going to take the product Turn off the oven. Take the product. And that's how it should look like, a yellow golden brown. Alright. So this is gonna be my plate. Alright. Since it's gonna be pulled pork, so this is how the meat's supposed to look like too. Cook. Nice little color. Okay. Alright, so that it could fit nicely on the sandwich. Okay, now we got our base for the sandwich. Right. Drizzle a little sauce on top of it. And as you could see, that's how it's supposed to look like.